Hello and welcome superstars. How are you? All fine and good? BSc second year subject Botany. Our chapter is Angiosperm. Okay. First, let's see the our exam pattern. Okay. Group A, we get 4 questions each of 10 marks. Okay, 40 marks. Group B, we get 8 questions each of 5 marks. That is 40 marks. In Group C, there is short notes. We get 10 questions. Okay, each with 2 marks, 10 to the 20. 10 to 20 marks. Okay, total mark is, it means full mark is 100 and pass mark is 35. Okay, now let's see the total marks on angiosperms. Okay, total marks on angiosperm. Okay, group A, we get 2 questions. Out of 2 questions we have to do 1 questions. Okay, 1 into 10, 10 questions. Okay, 10 marks. In group B, we get 2 questions, 2 5 are 10, 10 marks. Okay, in group C, we get 2 questions, 2 marks each is 4 marks. Okay, the what is the total marks here? 10 10 20 24. We get from this chapter, from angiosperm chapter, we get 24 marks in exam. Now I want to make you familiar about the type of question that has been asked in our exam, so we can know to which topic we need to give more focus. Okay, here is the first topic, family. See, question type. Okay, asked in exam up to now. Okay, here is the first topic, family. From family topic, 1 question come. Okay, one question come of 10 marks. Okay, from all these topic as a whole, vegetative and reproductive structures, or we can say features, floral formula, floral diagram. Okay, examples with scientific names. Okay, their economic importance. Okay, second topic, classification. Okay, there are different types of classification. Okay, from that classification, the question asked like, the question comes from the background and concept, the definition, like what is artificial system, what is natural system. Okay, their merits and demerits, difference between the type of two type of, or you can say different among the different types of, difference among the different type of classification. And last one is outline of classification. Okay, in family, 10 marks question come. Okay, 10 marks question come, 1 question of 10 marks. And classification, 1 question of 10 marks and another question of 5 marks. Okay, third topic. Okay, herbarium specimen. Herbarium, from herbarium specimen we get definition. We have to learn about definition. Question has been asked from the definition. Preparation procedure, how to prepare herbarium specimen. Ethical issue during collecting and handling. And finally last one is importance of preparation of herbarium specimen. Okay, now last topic is short notes on technical terms. Technical term is phyllotaxy, estivation, or you can say inflorescence. From this topic, short notes comes. Okay, short note is of how many marks? 2 marks or 2.5 marks. Now let's see the syllabus of angiosperm chapter. Okay, here I have written only the main headings. Okay, there are many subtopics inside these main headings. Okay, first one is introduction. Okay, first one is introduction. Second is plant morphology in relation to taxonomy. In this topic, second topic, we will study root, stem, leaf. Okay, third topic is plant collection and herbarium technique. Fourth one is nomenclature and classification. Fifth one is principle of classification. Sixth, measure classification, about measure classification. Seventh, phylogenetic system. 8, contemporary system. 9, basic concept of angiosperm phylogeny group. And in 10, it is what, systematic study. In this topic, in this heading, we will study about different family. Okay, now from the next video I will cover all these headings one by one. Okay.